जय गणेश जय गणेश जय जय गणनायका जय गणेश जय गणेश जय जय गणनायका सर्वविघ्ननायका सत्कवितादायका सर्वविघ्ननायका सत्कवितादायका निष्कळंक निर्विकल्प निष्कळंक निर्विकल्प नित्यसत्य दायका जय गणेश जय गणेश जय जय गणनायका एकदंत वक्रतुंड गणपति लंबोदर एकदंत वक्रतुंड गणपति लंबोदर श्रीकर लक्ष्मी समेत श्रीकर लक्ष्मी समेत सिद्धिराजा गणपति जय गणेश जय जय गणनायका जय गणेश जय जय गणनायका।
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good morning, children. A very happy Independence Day. I congratulate all the readers waiting to be enlisted. All the best for all your activities throughout the year. Jai Hind.
Good morning, children. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this patriotically beautiful day, some of the senior students are getting invested with various duties of the school council, the cabinet. We all miss the pomp and splendor of this ceremony at Sarathi grounds. Now, on this online platform, we feel some changes. But basically, the spirit is the same, the belongingness to the second home, Sarathi. So I congratulate all the budding leaders, all the very best for your endeavors. Stay home, stay safe, and then take care of your classes seriously. Thank you.
जय हो 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 జయ హో
జయ జయ హో మా సారథి జయ విద్యాభ్యుదయ శరధి
జయ జయ హో మా సారథి జయ విద్యాభ్యుదయ శరథి
జయ హో
జయ హో సారథి చదువుల పదవుల వారధి జయ జయ హో మా సారథి జయ విద్యాభ్యుదయ శరథి జయ హో సారథి చదువుల పదవుల వారధి జయ హో 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 సగమ పమగ సగప గమ పని పమగ పని పని సగరి స పని స నిస పని మప సగమప
మా సారథి మా పెన్నిధి మా భవితకు తరగని నిధి
మా సారథి మా పెన్నిధి మా భవితకు తరగని నిధి
సురగరుల
వర గురువుల సేవయే మా పరమావధి
సురగరుల
వర గురువుల సేవయే మా పరమావధి
మమత నింపి నవత పంచి మానవత విలువ పెంచి
సమైక్యమై వినిపింతుము సామగాన స్వరవి పంచి మమత నింపి నవత పంచి మానవత విలువ పెంచి సమైక్యమై వినిపింతుము సామగాన స్వరవి పంచి సామగాన స్వరవి పంచి జయ జయ హో మా సారథి జయ విద్యాభ్యుదయ శరథి జయ హో సారథి చదువుల పదవుల వారధి
సారథి విద్యార్థులము సమతారథ సారథులము సారథి ముంగిట చిందిన జ్ఞాన సుధ బిందువులము
సారథి విద్యార్థులము సమతారథ సారథులము
సారథి ముంగిట చిందిన జ్ఞాన సుధ బిందువులము
తరికిడ తరికిడ దిత్తి తరికిడ 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 తోం తరికిడ తరికిడ దిత్తి తరికిడ 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 తోం తరికిడ తరికిడ తచ్చం దిత్తి తరికిడ తరికిడ తచ్చం తరికిడ తరికిడ దిత్తి తరికిడ 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 తచ్చం మార్గమే స్వర్ణమయం 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 మా దీక్షయ విశ్వమయం 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 మా మార్గమే స్వర్ణమయం మా దీక్షయ విశ్వమయం జయ వేదని మోగిస్తా జయ కీర్తన మెదరేస్తా జయ వేదని మోగిస్తా జయ కీర్తన మెదరేస్తా జయ హో 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 మా సారథి జయ విద్యాభ్యుదయ శరధి
Ma'am, I present before you Masaren Samar from grade 10, the head boy Sarthi School for the cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Samar, the head boy of Sarathi School. With all pride and honor, take this moment to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am, and teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to serve as the head boy of Sarathi. I promise to live up to your expectations and perform all my duties and responsibilities to the best of my ability at all times. I will also stand as an inspiration to my juniors. On this 75th Independence Day, I am overwhelmed with joy to receive this post as the head boy of Sarathi. To conclude, I would like to thank the school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity to stand as the head boy, and also wish each and everyone a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Shrestha from grade 10, head girl Sarathi School for the cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all the teachers and Sarathis. Thank you so much, ma'am, for presenting me this honorable post, the head girl. It really means a lot to me. To be called upon to uphold the name of Sarathi is a matter of great pride and pleasure. I express my immense gratitude to all the teachers and students for having trust in me. Sarathi School has given me everything one could ask for. Since my class 1, it taught me and of course all of us great values of life. As the school head girl, I promise I'll uphold all these values and abide by the rules. I promise to act as a channel for your ideas and views. I promise I'll be a representative and not a leader. I promise I'll hear all your voices and concerns. Every Sarathian matters. I would surely coordinate with my teammate and the head boy of the school, Samar, to give out the best output and keep the name Sarathi on the top. During these tough times brought about by the pandemic, let us pray and be positive. As the school head girl, I'll try my level best to do what I can. Once again, to all the teachers, Sarathians and ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Master Kishleja from grade 10. He is the controller, the student council for the cabinet 2021-22.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am and dear teachers. I wholeheartedly thank everyone for providing me this coveted post of cabinet. I promise to bring the best out of everyone. A key to achieving success is to accomplish a strong and also a stable management. I also promise to check, manage and unite everyone to create history. This leadership will help me get motivated to excel. I will try to be the strongest pillar of this charming journey. I am elated to be the controller of the Students' Council. Once again, I thank the management. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Akshaya from grade 10, the literary secretary for the cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Greetings to everyone. It feels ecstatically happy standing over here as the literary secretary of the Student Council. This is my proud privilege and I would like to thank the whole school management for appointing me as the literary secretary. I assure you all that I will fulfill all my responsibilities, keeping up to your expectations through the best of my abilities. As promised, I will organize ample amount of literary events helping students discover their strengths in literature. I will also initiate to bring out the hidden poets, writers, authors and speakers of Sarathi. Today, I take this oath as a literary secretary to fulfill all my duties that capture the imagination and ignite fire in the hearts and minds of Sarathians. Thank you once again.
Ma'am, I present before you Master Sahil from grade 9, the Assistant Literary Secretary for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to respected ma'am, beloved teachers, and all my dear students. Today, I stand before you all with great pleasure for being selected as the Assistant Literary Secretary. First of all, I would like to thank our respected ma'am for giving me this grateful opportunity. Now, the importance of literacy, according to me, is that it is the most important element in education. It also lays down a solid foundation for our education and plays a vital role in it. I shall coordinate with the Literary Secretary for organizing different ways to promote every student's writing skills, reading skills and speaking skills. In this way, students shall be able to showcase their talents in literacy. I shall also put 100% of my efforts into this and most importantly, I will never let you all down. Now, to conclude, I shall once again thank the school management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Girirutika from grade 10, Cultural Secretary, Sarathi School for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. This is Girirutika of class 10. Firstly, I would like to thank our beloved correspondent, the principal, the teachers and the school management for selecting me as the cultural secretary. With immense pleasure, I would love to take on this role of being the cultural secretary and would promise to give my best and be up to this post. Being a cultural secretary, first and foremost, I would love to recognize the talents that everyone possesses and make sure they take in opportunities to express and develop them. I will try to make a unique impact and try something new in any cultural events which are conducted and make sure that every cultural activity that is being conducted flows in smoothly. I will also help my juniors with my knowledge and experience which would in turn act as a support in their future. I will be a helping hand to my teachers during the cultural activities and gain some valuable insights into leadership and other qualities from them. Looking forward to being the cultural secretary of Sarathi and put in continuous efforts in every aspect of this role. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Master Samir P. from grade 10, Assistant Cultural Secretary, Sarathi School for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to express my gratitude towards our beloved correspondent, ma'am, our respected principal, ma'am, and my loving teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to serve as the Assistant Cultural Secretary for this esteemed institution. I shall promise you that I would definitely excel in managing and organizing programs. I promise you all to provide splendid events and showcase your talent and make every opportunity count. As an Assistant Cultural Secretary, I shall give my 110% to keep up the Sarathi culture and heritage. Culture plays an important role in one's life, and with that, I would be on the front line to spread awareness about that. The beautiful choreography, the melodious voices, the exceptional dramas, and the skillful instruments substantially complete the Sarathi culture. And for that, the endless coordination and support will always be provided. Now is the time to change the meaning of online classes into something that's much more wonderful, exquisite, enriching, and superior. Once again, I thank the school management for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Master Alok Chauhan from grade 10, Sports Secretary, Sarathi School for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to everyone present here. I am Alok Chauhan of Class 10B. I would like to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am, and all my dear teachers for having the faith in me to nominate me and triumph in the post of the Sports Secretary. Sports has an overwhelming support throughout the world, and this support has brought us 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics 2020. 1 gold, 2 silvers, and 4 bronze. This victory will surely inspire all the young boys and girls throughout India to participate in each and every game. And finally, I would like to conclude by saying that participation is the first and foremost opportunity of a person loving sports. Live a happy and healthy life. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Master C.H. Aditya from grade 10, Assistant Sports Secretary, Sarathi School for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and my dear principal ma'am and all my teachers for giving me the post of Assistant Sports Secretary. I will give my eternal best and will bring awareness of sports amongst all Sarathians. Now is the perfect platform to talk about the greatest sporting event, the Olympics. As my friend Alok spoke about the Olympics, I would like to talk about Team India's performance in Tokyo 2020. We bagged 1 gold and it's first in the track and field, 2 silver, 1 in weightlifting and another in wrestling, 4 bronze. The long wait for a hockey medal of 41 years has ended. 2 in wrestling and 1 in badminton. Sports should be a part of every individual's life. It gives you discipline and makes you a better citizen. I would like to thank the school management once again to give me this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.
Ma'am, now we move on to the captains and vice captains of the various houses. Starting Agastya House. Ma'am, I present before you Miss Lakshita from grade 10, Captain Agastya House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Greetings, everyone. First, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am, and our loving teachers who have trusted me in being capable for holding the post of Agastya House captain. I would also like to express my gratitude to the fellow Augustinians who believed in me to carry on the Augustine flag high and proud. As Augustine House Captain, my first and foremost priority would be to ensure equity and equality among Augustines. I would also make sure that every Augustine is heard and acknowledged of their ideas and opinions. Let us work together towards the achievement and let us cheer on each other during the times of support. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Harshini from grade 9, Vice Captain Agastya House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Thank you, ma'am. Green, the prime color of the world, and in that which loveliness arises. A very warm good morning to our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am, and all my dear sergeants. This is me, Harshni, Agastya House Vice Captain. I take the oath that as a Vice Captain, I will make sure my team is well coordinated and supportive. I will keep my heart and soul to bring Agastya House in the topmost position. Once again, thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Rikita from grade 10, Captain Kaushika House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, our respected principal ma'am, and our loving teachers for this great opportunity given to me, for being able to serve as a member of this coveted post, the House Captain of Kaushika. Being a part of the Student Council is a great opportunity given to me to grow in my leadership skills, to perfect my imperfectness, which would make me the person to deliver my finest and top-notch services to the people of my house. As I stand before you all, as the House Captain of Kaushika, I give my word of honor to raise the standards of my house in blue than the magnificent blue sky. I promise you all to carry your trust and belief in me till the end and achieve triumph at all times. Once again, thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Shioshi Pal from grade 9, Assistant Captain Kaushika House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my sincere thanks to our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal and dear teachers. I have no other words to express myself to how thankful I am to be chosen as Kaushika House Vice Captain and trusted me that I am capable of taking responsibilities and duties. I will support and encourage everyone to not just give up in the first try and give confidence to themselves. And I will keep my full efforts to raise the name of Kaushika House in my school. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Dikshita from grade 10, Captain Kaudinya House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am, and all my loving teachers. Firstly, thank you ma'am for conferring me this post as the house captain for the Kaundinya house. I am extremely delighted and happy for being elected as the house captain. I, Dikshita, as the house captain for the Kaundinya house, promise to keep my house name on the top, be a responsible captain, a supportive leader, and bring a good name to our Kaundinya house, the house in red.
I shall work hard and keep up my standards and assist my fellow juniors to bring out their hidden talents. Once again, I would like to express my gratitude towards the school management for taking efforts and arranging school cabinet in the online form, thus creating a new record. Since the beginning, Kaundinya has been giving its best and will continue to give its best in all the competitions and making it a significant year. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Hasira Sultana from grade 9, Assistant Captain, Kaundinya House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Thank you, ma'am. I am both humbled and honored that the management has placed their trust and confidence in me and chose me as the Vice Captain of Kaundinya House, the house in red. I feel blessed as I begin this new era. I promise to deliver on my words and ensure that I uphold the purity of the title that I have been bestowed with. I assure you all that the house will always endeavor to reflect the compassion, honesty and integrity throughout the year. I'll try my best to live up to your expectations. Thank you.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Sadika from grade 10, Captain Vashishta House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am, loving teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, thank you ma'am for giving me such a wonderful opportunity and making me as a part of the student council. It is an immense pleasure to be as a captain of Vasistha House. I promise everyone that Vasistha House will reach heights and we will work together and achieve the success together. I take the oath that I will effectuate all my responsibilities and give my best in everything. Thank you once again.
Ma'am, I present before you Miss Satyalakshmi Durga from grade 9, Vice Captain Vashishta House for the Cabinet 2021-22.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I am honored to be selected for the post of Vice Captain of Vasistha House. I would like to express my gratitude to our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am, and the loving teachers for recognizing my potential and nominating me for the post of Vice Captain of Vasistha House. Vasistha House has always been special for me. I will work hard to live up to my expectations. I will try my level best not to disappoint anyone. Vasistha House is like my family. I will strive hard to make it proud. I will fulfill all my responsibilities. It is a job filled with many responsibilities, which everyone expects you to complete. I will try and be an example to my juniors. I will coordinate with my captain and bring out the best of Vasistha House. I would like to conclude by yet again thanking the school management for providing me and the others this wonderful opportunity even during these troublesome times. Thank you.
Ma'am, on this online platform, we venture into an online magazine, school magazine. And I proudly present Master Aravind from grade 10, who is a student chief editor for our online magazine, and Lehari from class 10, who is a sub-editor. And I have a strong belief, I trust them that they will do their duties to the utmost sincerity.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So as of today, the trees
are swaying with beauty, the birds chirping with joy, and the sun shining upon us with all its glory. Today is the day that we reveal our true leadership qualities. Today is once again the day that we show our true love for this place that we all commonly know as school. And today is the day that we reveal our true characteristics. I would like to begin by thanking exceptionally our beloved correspondent ma'am, the respected principal ma'am, and all my dear teachers. I will make sure as the chief editor of the magazine committee that each and every article that I receive, I will chisel them to perfection and make it look like professional and perfect. And as the chief editor of the magazine committee, once again, I will make sure that each and every student and each and every person in this place that we all know as school knows the true meaning of journalism. I will make sure that each and every student, even those who are silent or known as the silent members of the parliament, will come forward to write their own articles with their own words and writing styles. And as the chief editor of the magazine committee, I will make sure that I am not only the chief editor, but a bridge, yes, through which each and every person can come forward without any hesitation to write their own articles with their own words. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. This is Lahari standing before you as the sub-editor of the magazine committee. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to our beloved correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am, loving teachers, and everyone for believing in me and trusting my ability. It is an honor to receive this badge from our beloved correspondent ma'am. I hope this will give me a good learning experience and boost my confidence. I shall promise to serve my committee and school with all of my efforts. I will put my 100% efforts in making Sarathi proud. I shall promise to uphold the spirit of the team. I am pretty sure that our committee will turn out to be the best because I believe in my chief and my team. It is a privilege for me to prove that online is not a barrier for creating and publishing magazines for everyone's good. In this blissful moment, I am lost for words. All I can say is let Sarathi shine and produce many more assets. Once again, I would like to thank everyone from bottom of my heart.
And now, ma'am, I present before you 3 students who are going to join hands with the editor and the sub-editor for the smooth functioning of the online magazine. We have one coordinator from each language, that is English, Hindi and Telugu. For English, it is Master Shashank from grade 10, the English coordinator for our online magazine. And it is Mautika, the Telugu coordinator for our online magazine. She is from grade 10. Miss Mautika from grade 10, coordinator for Telugu language. And Miss Ishani Jha, again from grade 10. She is going to be the coordinator for the Hindi language. So I proudly present these 3 language coordinators now.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं ईशानी झा आपको मुझे पत्रिका समिति के हिंदी समन्वय का पद देने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी। इस पद के उपयोग से मेरे या बाकी विद्यार्थियों द्वारा लिखा गया हर लेख ज्ञान प्रकाशित करेगा और प्रभावशाली होगा। मैं ये जिम्मेदारी लेती हूँ कि हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी में लिखा गया हर लेख अच्छा होगा और इसे पढ़ने वाले विद्यार्थियों में व्याकरण और मजबूत होगा। इससे हिंदी साहित्य में बच्चों की रुचि बढ़ेगी और लिखने वाले हर संवाददाता की रचनात्मकता का भी प्रदर्शन होगा। मेरा आपसे ये वादा है कि मुझे ये पद देने का आपको बिल्कुल भी अफसोस नहीं होगा और हम सब में हिंदी प्रभावी रहेगी और हम कौशल बन पाएंगे। एक बार फिर से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Maptika of class 10A representing as a Telugu coordinator. Firstly, I would like to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am, our loving teachers and all my dear friends for your attention this moment. I stand here with great pride and honor as a Telugu coordinator, and for that I would like to thank the entire school management and all the teachers for selecting me and for believing in me. I hope that I can live up to your expectations. Telugu is the fourth most spoken language in India and ranks 11th across the world. The great emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya once said, Desa Bhasha Nandu Telugu Lessa, depicting Telugu as the most versatile language he had ever come across. I, as a Telugu coordinator, will try to make the language fascinating, which will leave a path to my successors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, our respected principal ma'am, and all our loving teachers. My words fail to express my elation being a part of Sarthi, joining hands in the English Teacher Survey. I am really touched by the concern the management has shown in taking me into the student council and giving me the post of English coordinator. I take it as my proud privilege making use of this beautiful language, the international link to bring Sarthian minds together under the online campaign. It's my promise of cordial coordination and uncompromising intellectual and imaginative endeavors to bring out an effective magazine that can speak volumes of Sarthian culture. Thank you once again, Sarthians, for taking me into your fold.
And now, ma'am, we have reporters to assist the sub-editor, editor and the reporters. And we have taken students from 10th as well as 9th. So starting with the 10th grade, we have Shivacharan, Shubhamja, Jahnavi and Hasini. They are the reporters from 10th grade. And moving on to 9, we have Vikas, Bharaneshwar and Kirtana. They are the reporters from grade 9. And I'm sure that it is going to be a beautiful collective responsibility bringing out the best online school magazine.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I consider this as my great privilege to be selected as a reporter of the school magazine. I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to our beloved correspondent ma'am for offering me this badge. I also thank respected principal ma'am and teachers who have put their efforts for the organization of this program. We students are very fortunate to be supported by a very motivating and dedicating respected principal ma'am and loving teachers. I feel very honored to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledgement of those who worked really very hard for the arrangement of this event. I promise that I will never let your faith down and decision of making me a reporter of the school magazine. I assure that I will bring all the events into light, acknowledgement for the students and my dearest friends. Our school students are not only good at academics but also good at the extracurricular activities. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each and everyone who made this event memorable for all of us. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. This is Jhanvi of class 10. It is the greatest happiness to be in a Sarathian cabinet as one of the reporter. I thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am and teachers for having a trust in me. I promise wholehearted sincerity to my post. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, ma'am. A very warm greetings to all. I may fall short of the words to express my emotions and my gratitude for this opportunity I have received to be the member of the school magazine community. I extend my sincere thanks to the principal and teachers who inculcated such capabilities in me, that I felt confident to be able to discharge my duties and responsibility as a member of the magazine committee of the prestigious school. Also, I thank all the students who trusted me and have put their faith in me. A team is like a tool set. Not one tool can do all the jobs, but together it can. So let's join together hands together to work with the team spirit in the day-to-day functioning of our school and the students. Let's take our school to greater heights of success.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. This is Shubham of class 10 standing before you as a reporter. Firstly, I would like to thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am and teachers for having the confidence in me to carry out the responsibilities of a reporter, the member of the magazine committee. School days are the best days of our life, and one of the best ways to preserve these memories is through a magazine. As a reporter, I shall leave no stone unturned to beautifully capture and report these memories in the magazine for our future generations to see and cherish. I would also request you all in coming up with the best possible ideas, because this is our magazine, our memories. Once again, I would like to thank the management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for believing in me and giving the post in the cabinet as a reporter of magazine committee. I promise to give my level best and help everyone in magazine committee. I will do my level best and I will not let you and your trust go down. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, beloved correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am, my lovely teachers, and all my fellow Sarathians. Firstly, I want to thank our school management for giving me such a wonderful chance as one of the reporters. Even though I'm a newcomer, thank you, ma'am, for putting your trust on me. I promise that I will put my heart and soul to cover all the memories of our Sarathi school and never let you down. I feel honorable to be a part of magazine committee. We as a team will do our best to bring up the wonderful magazines. Once again, I want to express my gratitude towards management and our motivating teachers. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Vikas Bhagatla of class 9B, and today, on this occasion, I would love to thank my beloved correspondent ma'am, respected principal ma'am, and all my loving teachers. Thank you so much, teachers, for believing in me that I am capable for this position, the magazine committee reporter. I will give my 100% to make this post successful. I will try my level best to capture the best moments of our Sarathian lives. So, we know that the happy days are not every day. They just come once in a moment and just go away like a spark. So, I will try to capture the best moments in our Sarathian life, and I will make this as a memory and also help this for the upcoming Sarathians. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you.
Ma'am, here we have the budding leaders of Sarathi, the promising citizens of tomorrow, boosted with lot of energy and enthusiasm as they are invested with their new responsibilities. And time is right now for the Sarathian pledge.
Do you solemnly pledge, as the members of the Sarathian Student Council, the Cabinet, to acknowledge and honor the respective posts assigned to you, to carry out your duties with utmost sincerity, to abide by the rules of the online learning process, upholding the Sarathian values and code of conduct in and out of the school to the best of your abilities?
We do, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Every person in the world interested in sports will be waiting for two main events in their life. One is the Cricket World Cup and another is our favorite and the loved ones, the Olympics. Because these two are the events which bring pride, respect and honor to the countries participating in it. India had an outstanding performance this year with 7 medals in total, and India stood as one of the proudest countries of all time. India made history by winning a medal in the hockey's men's after a long gap of 41 years. With their hard work, confidence, physical and mental strength, the boys did an amazing job by standing in the 3rd place. And in the history of the Olympics, India won their 2nd gold medal in the men's javelin throw by Neeraj Chopra with an impressive throw of 87.58 meters. Not only the winners, but also also, the participants are worthy of our respect and honor. We had a heartbreaking end in the women's hockey, but they had made us proud with the effort they had put to stand in the 4th place. And also Aditi Ashok, the woman golf player, with a remarkable journey to the final, made India rise high and mighty. Along with the countries, the talent of the player must be appreciated without any doubt. Because of their talent and hard work, the country is shining as bright as sun. And because of this talent, the USA and China are 2 medal giants, bagging most medals in the Olympic history. The 3 medals, gold, silver and bronze, are not medals. Instead, they are the blood, sweat and tears of each and every person living in this world. I'm sure with this type of interest in sports, the young boys and girls would participate in each and every game. Try, fight and inspire. The 3 key words that can stimulate the upcoming generations to win over their life and live up to their expectations. And finally, I am thankful to our beloved correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am and all my dear teachers for letting me out my feelings towards sports. Live a happy and healthy life. Thank you.
A day that will never be forgotten. We Sarathians have the sweet and broad smile today. Tears of happiness roll down on this day. A very warm greetings to everyone. This is Kishle Kumar Jha, the Controller of Students' Council. I, on behalf of the Students' Council, thank the management for providing the honor of establishment of Cabinet in online mode. This surely has taken numerous efforts and we have come a long way. Thank you is a short word to gratitude this hard work, planning and execution. Today, we the budding leaders promise to erect a golden Sarathi. Today, 15th August is a prestigious day when everyone is remembering the great freedom leaders. We cherish this day and thank the school management. Thank you.